What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Don't worry about the little retraces, the corrections that we're having, guys. These things will happen, okay? We're down 2.57%. You could obviously guess that Bitcoin, following Bitcoin, because you can't, I was saying in my previous video, you can't just have a God candle all the way to 500 mil. Just imagine if crypto worked like that, where where projects just have one God candle to 500 mil, 1 bill market cap in one candle. No retraces. If crypto worked like that, a lot more retail would run into crypto, I'm telling you. But you know, that's not how crypto works. After big moves, after nice little moves to the upside, you're gonna have corrections along the way. So don't even worry about this little correction. This is just a chance to DCA. If you know, DCA diamond hand, wait until the bull. $21.18 million in market cap for Tonic. You know, project is doing great, man. I'm telling you, great altcoin. It's a very great altcoin. When we see peak bull season and more people get to the Chronos blockchain, Chronos ecosystem, that's when we're gonna see Tonic shine even more, especially when the team starts, you know, giving more and more updates. And from Crypto Hoarder, what's up, Tonic fam? Good things will definitely happen soon. Patience makes the rich, and I could not agree more, guys. It's right in your face, guys. You just gotta be patient. DCA diamond hand, wait for the bull. You ain't heard it nowhere else. You could put it in quotations from Blockchain Daily. Open quote, DCA, comma, diamond hand, comma, wait for the bull, exclamation mark, close quotations. Okay, I'm telling you, from 07 bullish and Tonic, from Tonic to the moon, wow, slow and steady movement wins the race, and that is a fact. Okay, right hand of God, we stay in the same point because Tonic is closing small box, if you know what I mean. We need grow up, we need more exchange, not like only one ecosystem. And don't worry, if you 8 replies, if you're patient enough, you may just see that happen. Right hand of God, I believe it will come. But don't worry about it, guys, because when we see the moves, when we see moves in the market, Tonic is following. Okay, the team will wait. Look, I've been in crypto for a good while now, right? Few years, not that, you know, not that long, few years. But what I've realized in my whole time in crypto, the facts are in the charts. The charts are forward looking. It's like the charts predict the future before things happen. There was recently, like for example, AI projects. I saw, you know, a bunch of AI projects. They were doing nothing at all. They were doing, they were just, you know, following the market just sideways. Then all of a sudden, everyone starts talking about AI. But before people started talking about AI projects, they started to move up in price before people started talking about it. I was like, it's right there. The facts are in the charts. Charts are forward looking. Before exchange listings and things like this happen, you're gonna see Tonic just, you know, go crazy out of nowhere, just like it did back here when it went from 10 mil to 30 mil, quick 3x. No one expected it. It just, you know, went crazy, like. And then we saw news follow, right? Then we saw news after. So charts are always forward looking. The best time for these exchange listings will be when the market, when we're in a bull market. Think about exchange listings, huge exchange listings when it's bull season time, right? I don't know if the team is, more than likely I believe the team will be working on it. I believe so, right? I'm not 100% sure, but I believe they're working on getting on new exchanges. I would hope so. And when would be the perfect time to do so? When we're in peak bull season, FOMO season, when we're seeing 500% daily candles. And then you toss a exchange listing on top of that, boom, Tonic doing, you know, 100% this day, 200% few days later. Right? That would be the perfect time. Right now, it's not time yet. Let the charts play out. Be patient, right? But yeah, guys, yeah, man, pretty much, you know, we just seen Tonic follow the lead market move, or follow the markets. breaking out because of the banks are collapsing. It was created to do. Bit of a retrace right now. But I had to mention to you guys PPI data. There's CPI, which is inflation, and now we're talking about PPI. PPI. I don't want any PP in my eyes, okay? But yeah, so never heard of this metric before. Forever, I've never heard of it, right? But the good part is that it's coming in lower. It's coming in at 4.6% year over year. Let's take a look. Google search PPI data. PPI. Let's see. What is PPI? Producer price index. Okay, producer price index measures the average change over time in the selling prices received by domestic producers for their output. Nice. So yeah, that is coming in lower, and it's helping the markets as well. For Michael Van Pope, PPI comes in at 4.6%. Expected was 5.4%. So at least a 25 BPS hike will be likely, because we're seeing great signs. The markets overall are getting more and more bullish. We can see that in Tonic'S chart. We can see that in Crow's chart. From Jackie's, very good numbers for both CPI and PPI this week. In my opinion, no reason for the Fed to raise this next week more than 25 BPS. After the Fed meeting, okay, I wouldn't be surprised after the Fed meeting and they announced the 25 BPS or even before. You're gonna see Tonic break out again. So we're having the breakout, we're having a bit of a correction, right, coming back down, and then we're gonna have another breakout. I wouldn't be surprised, guys. Keep an eye on that, right? From Pampa, Justin, PPI for final demand in the US went down 0.1% month over month in February 2023 against market expectations of a 0.3% increase. So overall, okay, we're seeing so much great signs. There's a lot of bullish signs, right? If you're still thinking Bitcoin 12k 10k, it would have to be the craziest, most disastrous thing has to happen, okay, for us to get back to those levels. It would have to be the most disastrous thing known to humankind, and I don't think that's happening. I really don't. I think we're in the start of the bull, man. I've been saying it, and I think so. This was the official bottom. March 10th. I'm calling for the bottom on March 10th. I could be wrong, but yeah, March 10th. And like I said, we are not going back to 10 mil Tonic. Sorry. December 30th was the official bottom. December was the official bottom. 10 mil Tonic. We're not going back down there. And now this right here, March 10th. Is the the second official bottom. And then we're gonna start making moves to the upside from here. Move up, correction, move up, correction, move up. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. The signs are there. You can see it all over. Everything's getting more bullish. The markets are getting more into our favor, guys, as you can see. So we'll see what happens. Tonic fam, Crow fam, yeah, don't worry about this correction right here. Wait until the next Fed meeting. You're gonna see green again. You know, if I'm wrong, come and say, oh, you was wrong. If I'm right, come and say, oh, you were right. Thank y'all so much for watching. Tonic fam, you guys are the best. I really appreciate every single one of you. My apologies for the neighbor's dogs, but yeah, if you enjoy the content, man, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3K subscribers. Support all these videos. Hold on. Support all these videos right here. Let's get each video to 1,000 views apiece, please. Or leave a super comment, super thanks, and become a channel member to support the channel even further, right? Once again, thank y'all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.